How to fix media upload quality on WhatsApp not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix media upload quality on WhatsApp not showing. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to make sure your app is up to date. To check, open Google Play Store. Tap search icon and search for WhatsApp. If you see update button, tap update and update to the latest version. Tap open to access WhatsApp. Tap on three dots at top right corner and navigate to settings option. Scroll down towards media upload quality. For that, you need to head towards storage and data and tap on media upload quality. Here, you need to make sure that you have set to SD quality and tap on save button. Once done, you need to restart your phone. A simple restart can refresh WhatsApp setting. Hold down power button on your device and swipe towards restart. Once done, you need to long press and hold WhatsApp app icon and tap on I button. Scroll down and navigate to storage users and tap on clear cache. Once you have followed all this step, you need to simply check whether your media upload quality on WhatsApp has been shown or not. If not yet, reinstall WhatsApp and then your issue should be persist or resolved. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.